Okay, how to sell on Zazzle, a quick walkthrough. Um, that's exactly what it is. I'm going to show you how easy it is to sell on Zazzle. This is crossing seas, and I want to help you adventure from employee to employer. And so that's what we're all about. For this to set up for Zazzle, all you're really going to need is an actual email. And for me, the easiest way to sign up for Zazzle is through a Gmail account. They have an option for that, and it's super simple, super easy, just a few clicks. All you really need to do is verify your email address. They'll send you email, you click on it, you verify it, and you're able to set up your store, you're able to create products, and you're able to start selling right away. It needs to be your design, your template in order to sell. You have a lot of options to pick from, and also you need to make sure you get the right percentage for each sale. I'm going to show you my store and how to create products that sell on your store. This one I can't actually sell, and I'll tell you the reason why. The actual reason why I can't sell this one, but I can sell the bandana and I can sell other things. So one of the things you want to do first, you just want to sign into your account. I'm already signed in, but it's super easy. If you have a Gmail, if you have a Facebook, you can sign in with those things as well. And then you want to open up a new store. You come over to here, my stores, come over here, edit store information, home products, let's see, go to my stores, and then you click. So you see I have one store already, and then you go over here and then you click open store. Now the only thing you need is a valid email. You validate your email and they're like, okay, good to go. And then you put in your store name, do that, and that's it, create a store. But since I've already did that, let's go to my store and let's check it out. So this is what I have right now. This is a save design. This one I actually can't sell because of the background right here. There's someone else designed this background, so I can't sell it for a profit. But I can sell this one because I put this design on a handkerchief, and I also have let's see, take a look at some of my products. Shoe design. And so I have a shirt, a tank top somewhere, under revised and resubmitted my products, my collection. Okay, so let's just go to create. Let's make a new design. So I could edit designs I already have. Deck of cards. I'll show you. Let's start my new design. Email address. I just go to download because I don't want it in my way. It comes on here, whatever. Let's see. So there's templates that you can do. One thing I wouldn't do with these templates, because if you put these templates on there, you can't sell to other people, and the whole point of this is to sell to other people. You could add text. This is great. Yeah, not these, but you could add your own text and put it in your own font. Icons, you can't really use these. Recently used background colors. These ones, not so much. You can upload your own files. Let's do this B. Boom. Not offensive. And also you could gear it towards your social media platform that you want to upload it to. Alright, so we can pick products. We got t-shirts here, we got facial masks, coffee mugs, we got cloth face mask with slot. So we got bumper stickers. Let's do bumper sticker today. Boom. Perfect. Slide them over a little bit. Let's see. Boom. Right there. And go. La. T. Da. And then wait, whoops. Oh, nope. That's not what I wanted. This is a bumper sticker. Move them over again. Oh, oops. I went into the wrong slot. I was supposed to do text. Add text. Sorry about that. Go la, T, da. La-ti-da. And now we just make it bigger. Alright, almost done. Alright, that's the color. I like the color, I like the font. Okay, settings is not what I want. I want all changes saved. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Let's see. Okay, la-ti-da. There's my bumper sticker. Alright, let's click on it. Waiting. Okay. So this is la-ti-da, and you could go through, you could see all the different mock-ups. And once it loads, you can see it says sell it. All the different ways it could mock up. And then you just click sell it. Now all you have to do from this point on is just put your title in. Let's see, la-ti-da. That's gonna be the title of it. Where do I want, what department? I'll pick, alright, from there just write a description. Fun little sticker. Alright, this is where you show the mock-up of what you want it to look like on your store. Alright, tags. Alright, sticker. Fun happy bee. Oh, spelled happy wrong. Let's go back. P, 2 P's. Add tags. Alright, I got 4 tags on that. Over here is just things not to do. G, this is for everybody. I want to make it public. Yeah, let's have a customize button on it. And this is my percentage. Earlier in the slides I said how make sure your percentage is good. Let's go to post it. Oh, missed something. I thought I did this. Alright, nope. We'll go to, I'll do this top one. Okay. Let's go back down. Alright, there, posted. Oh, I forgot this one more right here. Yes, I have the rights to publish it, to post it. And it takes about 24 hours to post to your store. So that's pretty much it. That's how you add items to your store. That's how you set up your store. And you just, these are all the ways you could share it. You could copy it to your store. You could paste your website, anything you want to do. And let's see, you could create it from here. You could create another bumper sticker or see it on my store. That's it. This is how you sell on Zazzle. And so you can, even from here, you can edit the design. Alright, I hope you learned some things from this video. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I really enjoy hearing from you guys. Also, I'll have a link below, and click on that link, you'll get a free ebook. This is an ebook that really helped me on my journey to becoming an entrepreneur, on to how to make money online and other things like that. Click on it, subscribe to it, and you'll get it straight to your inbox. Thank you.